Yeah, I did it. I ain't proud, but I done it. I told you I was gonna do it. I told you I was gonna do it. Oris Chronoris 2005, back in the house, reporting for duty. Ba-bam. Alright, I'm on my way to pick up the Oris 2005 Chronoris. Got a full kit in Japan like I was the man out of the JDM. Yeah, she's back. And come to think of it, after we open it up, let's make it a double trouble. Let's pull the Grand Prix 1970 in with it. All right, check it. Well, here we are, the Oris Chronoris Double Trouble. I decided to give the Double Trouble twins this one off in favor of putting these kits on display. Oris did a really fabulous job with these two kits. The one on the left is the GP Grand Prix 1970. Came with these really cool leather gloves, this map. Not really map, but more like a historic Formula One, I don't know, brochure. Really neat. And a full box and everything. And the 2005 Oris Chronoris came with this pouchy type thing here, a couple of spring bar tools. Oh, this keychain came with the Grand Prix, and this was a full kit out of Japan. It came with this steel bracelet, which is one of the reasons I bought it, because it's interchangeable onto this model, and came with its strap and, you know, a full kit. So I paid a little bit more than I had in past, but I was missing it. Still got it at a great deal, and I thought it'd be really great to pull these into the same shot with one another. They're getting rarer and rarer. I see the 2005 orange one going up in price. I periodically, you know, I check for Oris Chronoris models to see what's out there. The funny thing is, this 1970 watch, they actually released that in an all gold, which I don't know about the green and gold combo, but really a neat watch nonetheless. So let's zoom up in there and see what we got going on. All right, now that we are up in your business, get a better look at these two. The only downside to the orange one, if there is one, is that the sub dial at 12 o'clock is only a 30-minute register, whereas the Grand Prix has got the GMT function, the countdown, and the sub bezel, and it's a full 12-hour chronograph. They're not really in competition with one another, but they are part of the same line, so it's somewhat relevant to take a look at them. Both really great pieces, evoking 70s style, whether it's the Hugger Orange or the Grabber Green color styles, or the cushion case itself, which is was very popular back in those days, and certainly evoked in the line and evoked with these re-editions. I think part of the reason I still hunt them, even though I own them, is hoping that gold Grand Prix shows up. But you really can't go wrong with either one. I think, as I put in the other video, they're great watches. They're affordable. I mean, the green one is getting a little bit out of range, plus it's hard to find. But if you can get a full kit on the orange one, you're going to be happy. It's high quality, and that crown locking system is amazing. It's like one twist done and sealed. Really quite spectacular. So here it is with the rebuy, and it'd be even funnier if I sold it and rebought it again within the life of the hobby of ours. But I think I'm going to hold on to it this time. Got a really great kit, and that bracelet being interchangeable onto the green one. Those Oris bracelets are $250, $300 themselves from Oris, and it's not the best bracelet in the world, but if I want to wear the green one on a bracelet, guess what? I have one now, interchangeable. And the fact that it's a full kit, got it at a good price, I'm insulated if I ever do need to sell it on down the road. So there you have it, Oris Chronoris Double Trouble. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope this might be of some value to you if you end up going out there and hunting one yourself. All right, thank you so much. Take care. Bye.